In today's video, we are reviewing luxury bronzers. We've got the brand new Dior Forever Natural Bronze Bronzer. Is this gonna be any good? Is it gonna be as good as my ride or die Gucci right here that I love so much? All right guys, we're gonna test it out, try it on, and I'm gonna give it my final score. All right guys, let's get into this video. Alright, so I can't wait to get into this. I haven't seen it yet. Oh, that's beautiful. That is stunning packaging. Right here, I'm just going to share with you guys. The packaging does say this gives you a healthy sun-kissed bronze, and it's long wear, and you know, it's supposed to give you comfort and perfection. So I'm like, okay, cool. But this packaging, this is beautiful. I like the CD. I like this is leather. This is beautiful. This is luxurious. Now, I wish it was a little bit heavier in weight, but it is like, it's a nice, I don't want my purse to be, you know, heavy. So like this is, I guess, a good weight for that. I like the little silver detailing right here. This is leather and this is plastic. So this is exciting. I picked up shade 4 in the collection. Let's remove this little plastic guy. Alright guys, I'm just going to swirl a little bit of this on my finger. That is very buttery, very creamy. I'm just going to swatch this right here on the back of my hand. I like that. That's very, very nice. That's light, that's buildable. I'm going to just add a little bit more. Wow. Okay, I'm super impressed. I can't wait to get into this and apply it to my face. Okay, to apply this, I'm going to use my Scott Barnes number 66 brush, and this is just a very angled brush, great for contouring your face. I'm just going to go in and grab some of that product. I'm excited for this. Like, this is a drop I have been waiting for. Tap a little bit off. I'm super excited about this. I'm going to go in and just start dusting this on my forehead to give myself that beautiful sun-kissed look. Okay, so it's very light. So far, I like it. It's really hard to actually find a bronzer that won't give you too much payoff, but it's gonna give you that amazing glow, right? That sun-kissed glow, and this one so far is impressing me. All right, so far, this is applying gorgeous. I love it. It just feels lightweight, and it's beautiful. I really love this, and I'm just applying it right now to the high points of my cheekbones, and this just looks like it's giving me that life, that sun-kissed life, and I love this. Like, this is gorgeous. Alright, if you love the Dior side, remember to hit that like button. I'm gonna grab the Gucci. I've got the Dior right here. I'm just gonna put it on top of the Gucci. They are the exact same width. Now, you do get, in this one, 9 grams. In the Gucci, you get 12 grams. So I feel like this one is a lot taller. You do get more product in it. I'm going to open these both up for you guys. Let me swatch this and let's compare it. So this one is the Dior and this one is the Gucci. So they are very similar in shades, but I do find the Gucci to be a little bit more on the warmer, and this one is definitely on the cooler side. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this. I wanna see how it compares to the Dior. I'm just so curious to see which one of these, you know, is kind of gonna be my golden one, because I love both of them so far. So I'm just gonna swatch a little bit of this. I'm just using another Scott Barnes brush. Okay, I'm just going to start by applying this on my forehead, lightly dusting it on exactly where the sun's gonna kiss you is where I'm dusting this bronzer. Okay, I want to share with you guys just the color comparison right here. This one is a little bit warmer, this one's a little bit cooler, but I do love both of them. Again, this one applies so buttery and so smooth for a powder. It's just stunning. And I've loved it since I reviewed it on my channel a couple of months ago. Alright guys, let's talk about it. So on this side, I've got the Gucci. It is giving me a little bit more of a warmer perimeter. This one's giving me more cooler, natural tones with the Dior. I enjoy both of them so much, but this one right here, the Dior, is just kind of blending more into my skin, and for a very fair skin, I actually really do like that. This one is just kind of giving me more of that pop of color, giving me a little bit more of that, you know, summer goddess love and that life. So I do like that quite a bit. They both apply very buttery, silky, and smooth, like neck and neck, 100% the exact same. They just apply gorgeous. So honestly, like neither one of them are patchy. I enjoy both of them. The blend is amazing. They blend out like it's just a dream to work with. So which one do I like better? Which one do you guys like better? Do you like the Dior or the Gucci? Let me know in the comments down below. Alright guys, time to score this product. Starting with application. Alright, so this Dior bronzer went on so smooth and just luxurious. I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10. Not patchy at all. Up next, pigment. I like how the shade range has different shades in it. I feel like there is room to grow a little bit. I do love how this is just working so beautifully on someone like me that's like Snow White fair. So you know what? I'm gonna give this a 9 out of 10. And finally, value. This is $58 Canadian. It is more expensive than your average bronzer. I mean, the Gucci is very high end. It's $81. So, I mean, the price difference, there is a bit of a jump there. Again, a Chanel bronzer is actually $60. So considering this one's only $58, it makes it a little bit more cheaper, but there are cheaper versions out there. If you guys want me to do a dupes video and show you guys different dupes for these bronzers, let me know in the comments down below. I love this. I'm gonna give it a 7 out of 10. Bringing us to a final score of 26 out of 30. Now, should you buy it, wishlist it, or avoid it? I'm gonna say wishlist this one because it is a little bit more on the pricier, higher end side. It is gorgeous and I absolutely love the product. And you know, like if you can afford it, buy it, but there are great dupes out there. So if you guys want to see a video on the dupes, let me know in the comments down below. Until next time, live, love, and lip gloss. Bye guys.